Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating channel. So for today's video is actually a very requested video sa akin. This is the most requested kasi nga ito yung isa sa mga medyo hindi ganun kadaling gawin. So for today's video, isa na namang how-to ang ating gagawin by Yanna. And we will do a eyeshadow tutorial for beginners. So guys, kung bago ka sa ating channel, please do consider subscribing. We also made a previous video na about how to do your brows, how to apply foundation, and also how to contour. So kung hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, I will link all of the links on the description box. So please do check it out. Alright, so kung interesado ka kung paano malaman or paano ba ang pag-a-apply ng eyeshadow, especially for beginners like you, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so sinat ko na yung face ko with a foundation and also ginawa ko na rin yung brows ko. Also naglagay na rin ako ng concealer dito sa aking eyelids to set it as a eyeshadow primer. So important yun guys ha, every time na maglalagay kayo ng eyeshadow, make sure na meron kayong eyeshadow primer or a concealer. You can use a concealer, any concealer will do. Just make sure na nilagyan nyo siya and you set it as well with the powder. Para kasi pag in-apply natin si eyeshadow is maging maganda yung color payoff niya sa ating eyes. Lumabas yung tone nitong kulay kasi diba meron tayong mga ugat-ugat sa mata and we want to make sure na even out or even yung tone or yung kulay ng ating eyelids. Alright, so make sure that you put your concealer as a primer. So now, punta muna tayo sa tools. So ano yung mga tools na kailangan mo para meron kang or para makapaglagay ka ng eyeshadow? So of course, dapat lang is meron kang blending brush. Kung ikaw ay beginner, importante lang na meron kang blending brush. Example is this. So meron ako isang maliit or isang malaki and then meron ako medyo isang maliit. So itong maliit na to is helpful siya, especially kung dito ako maglalagay sa aking crease or para sakto siya dito when I blend my eyeshadow. And also, dapat meron ka lang ding isang flat brush. Alright, like this. This will actually help you guys if you will put something like na shimmery sa inyong inner corner of your eye. Alright, so ito yung mga medyo silvery or glittery na gusto nyong ilagay sa loob ng inyong eyes. So, when you start to apply or learn to use or apply eyeshadow, make sure na magsa-start kayo sa mga nude or cool tone muna. Ang importante lang naman is meron kang isang light, meron kang isang pang transition shade, which could be the nude color such as like a light brown. Also meron ka rin at least dark, alright, like a black. If you wanna aim yung medyo smoky eye ba. So example ng sinasabi ko is just like this. So, ito yung palette na pwedeng pang beginner because as you can see, meron siya nitong parang champagne color na medyo shimmery, light brown, dark brown, and a black. Alright, perfect siya actually if you're a beginner for eyeshadow because I highly suggest that sa ganito muna kayo mag-start guys kasi para hindi kayo ma-overwhelm kapag bumili kayo ng masyadong malaking palette and hindi nyo pa alam paano siya i-mix and match. So, sana dito muna kayo mag-start. This is actually Pink Sugar Eyeshadow Quad in the shade Tiramisu. Alright, so since alam niyo na kung ano magagamitin yung tools and also what to start or what to buy when you start to learn to apply an eyeshadow. So ngayon naman, doon naman tayo. So kung paano na natin i-apply si eyeshadow. So again, nakapag-set na tayo ng ating eyelids ng powder. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ulit just to make sure it's well set. Kasi guys, dapat meron siyang or it's set with the powder para maging smooth yung application ng inyong eyeshadow. Again, we will do some blending. Alright, so make sure na smooth yung inyong eyelids. Alright, So, zoom in ko lang kayo. Alright, so first guys is, since again, naset na natin yung eyes natin with the powder, sisimulan natin sa ating transition shade, which is the lightest brown na meron tayo din sa ating palette. Yun yung gagamitin natin as transition shade. And then, we would just dip our brush, our blending brush, and always make sure you tap off the excess. Alright, then you start outside or outer part of your eyelids. So, paunti-unti lang guys, mas okay na yung paunti-unti lang kaysa yung mabigla tayo. Kasi mahirap na siyang ayusin kapag napasobrahan tayo. Okay, make sure guys ha, when you hold your brush, nandun kayo sa dulo ng brush para hindi ganun kabigat yung pressure. Para maging very light lang ang pressure. So again, from outer part, ito lang natin siya i-blend and make sure na medyo mataas siya kasi ito yung ating parang shadow or again, the transition shade. Oops! Sa darker brown ko siya na i-dip. Alright, so there you go. We have now our transition shade. So, punta naman tayo din sa darker color na brown. So, same brush, dip, top of the excess, and then outer part. Dip, top off, then blend sa outer, then papasok, blend, outer, then dagdag tayo onte, and blend, so as you can see guys, ang gusto nating ma-aim dito is from dark to light. Kaya dito tayo nagpo-focus lang sa outside. Then, konting blend papasok. So, ito tingnan nyo, iniiwan natin tong light kasi nga, dyan na yung maglalagay ng ating lighter shade, yung mga ating shimmery shade. Alright, so yung mas maliit na blending brush natin ito. So, didip ko siya sa black, paunti-unti, then top of the excess, then unti lang guys, just sa outer part ng inyong crease. And then, just blend it like so. So, medyo pinapasok ka rin siya dito. Kanti pa. Again, blending is the key. Alright. So, kukunin ko lang yung mas bigger blending brush natin. Then, medyo soften ko lang dito. As well as sa gitna. Alright. So, guys, if you're actually aiming yung parang pa taas na eyeshadow and hindi ka sanayan, baguhan pa lang, then I suggest na kuha ka ng tape, then you can actually put it here na pag ganyan siya. Alright, kahit masking tape pa yan, okay lang. Alright. And then, since we're done with the darkest shade, punta na tayo dun sa champagne shade natin sa eyeshadow. Then, yun yung ilalagay natin sa ating inner crease. Alright, so pwede nyo actually siyang basain guys yung inyong brush if gusto nyo medyo mas lumabas yung kulay niya. So, kunin ko lang yung aking maliit na blending brush. Then, medyo isasoften out ko rin dito. Alright, there we go. So, medyo ibababa lang din natin yung kulay na nilagay natin sa taas. So, medyo i-smudge lang natin siya guys, pababa. So, yung light brown na meron tayo, na ginamit natin kanina, i-smudge lang natin dito. Same as on the other side. And then yung darker brown. And then yung darkest natin, which is the black. So dito lang siya sa labas. Hanggang sa kalahati or 1/3 ng ating lower lash line. Alright, so basically guys, binabalang natin yung kulay na nilagay natin sa taas ng ating eyeshadow. Alright. So, tatapusin ko lang yung aking makeup, guys. Then, I'll be right back. Ito na yung ating final look after we have applied our eyeshadow. So, naglagay lang ako ng aking lipstick, blush on, and some mascara. Hindi na ako naglagay ng falsies kasi wala naman ako pupuntahang event today. And also, maganda naman yung mascara. It actually looks like medyo naka-falsies ako ng very, very light lang naman. And so it's up to you guys if you prefer to put your lashes or false lashes, especially kung meron kayong event na pupuntahan. So I hope guys that you did enjoy this video, and sana may natutunan kayo at may nakuha kayong tips. And I will also see you guys on my next Yanna's how-to tutorial. And sana abangan niyo yun. Marami pa tayong mga tutorial na gagawin. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you like this video. Please do give this a thumbs up. And also please do subscribe. Bye!